Megan from PC NAMETAG. With the onset of COVID-19, our industry has had to learn to adapt. Virtual events have become a big part of the conversations that we're having. Your partners here at PC NAMETAG are excited to support you and your attendees and help you create extraordinary experiences for your next virtual event. All attendees want the same thing. They want to feel like they're included in the event and like you personally thought about them, and they want to have a positive experience with some great takeaways that they can share with their team. Virtual attendees are no different. When considering a technology platform, consider something that's easy to use, something that allows speakers in real time to answer any questions that attendees might think about, and have something that allows for virtual attendees to still have that networking opportunity and to interact and connect. While PC NAMETAG isn't a technology partner, we're here to help you after that step has been taken. That's when we step in to help you create some great virtual attendee experiences and partner together to make sure that that attendee feels included and has that great takeaway. I don't know about you, but one of my favorite parts of an event is walking up to registration, grabbing my badge, grabbing my goodie bag, and finally feeling like I'm there and I'm ready to learn. Virtual attendees can have that same experience. PC NAMETAG can help you create a great virtual gift that can be sent to your attendees well in advance or even the day before, so that way they can open it and really feel that registration feeling that they would as if they were on site or face to face. They can feel like they're part of the community and helps them gain excitement for your event and feel like they were thought of. As far as virtual attendees go, the gifts that you would give them would be the same as if they were face to face. Consider your event content, your theme, and your messaging that you're trying to portray. If you're focused on health and well-being, consider a yoga mat or doing a group yoga session where they can all pull it out together, or a nice branded water bottle that keeps your attendees hydrated throughout the day. If you're doing an educational session, consider a nice notebook with a pen or maybe even a stylus, that way they can reuse it later at a credit card machine or gas station. If you're doing a day-long event, they can definitely get exhausting. So consider a nice gift as far as a nice big coffee mug and a nice journal to take down all those notes and the tools that they learn. And definitely to consider for virtual attendees, a nice headset. It can be always helpful and help keep the attendees stay engaged and focused throughout the event to have a new set of headphones that you know work, something you can rely on. Also keep in mind a sweet treat or a salty snack for the afternoon. I think we're also used to being on site and having those provided for us, that maybe you want to include those in the box to give the attendee kind of the extra love throughout the day. And definitely keep in mind happy hour. Don't we all need happy hour? Consider a nice branded mug or coffee cup, something that can be reused at a later date or used for that happy hour to make sure that everyone feels included and feel that community together. Attendee gifts are a great way to keep sponsors happy and help fund that content that you're providing throughout your event. Sponsors still want to be recognized whether the event is virtual or in person. Consider PC NAMETAG when you're designing these products. We have fast production time as well as quality service to help you design that perfect experience for your virtual attendees. Not all virtual technology platforms has the name of your attendees clearly visible at all times. Consider still doing a name badge so that way if your attendees are able to interact with one another, they have that clear visibility as far as who they're speaking to. Plus, it's also a great spot to bring your branding in, and it's clearly seen for everyone. You can also use the badge to drive your social media campaign. Just as you would with an on-site event, consider doing a hashtag or promoting a gift or a fun win if you do a selfie with your name badge. Who doesn't love a good selfie? Identifying other attendees with similar interests or recognizing attendees is a little bit more challenging in a virtual setting. Whether you're trying to recognize new members, maybe VIPs, or maybe you're trying to drive a group for later in the event. Consider satin stickies. It's a great way to recognize and identify one another, plus they are also lightweight, so they work well when it comes to shipping, and they're definitely a little bit more fun. I'm in the 80s group. I hope this has given you some new things to think about when it comes to virtual events and maybe inspired you to think outside of the box a little bit. Everyone at PC NAMETAG is really excited to work with you on your next virtual event and make some meaningful connections.